So, this is our lesson for today, guys. We're gonna join the periodic. There are three students right now. There should be more. All right. While you guys are waiting for this people to join our periodic, I would like us to watch this video. All right. Let's watch this. Inventing negative numbers in cyber chase. Have you been watching cyber chase lately? Anybody has watched cyber chase? Hmm. Let me see who said something. Be right back. Okay. Oh, me too. Like I used to do cyber chase in my classes to like help explain or do extra watch. It's okay. Just type it in. All right. So let's watch this video.
Dr. Marbles has an electronic locator.
A locator? Cool!
The council has been moved down 3 levels.
Down 3 levels. Got it, Mother Bee. Quick, the stairs.
They've been blocked. You will have to.
Have to what?
Have to go outside again.
Okay, guys. Ready to drop and enter? Down 3. Just to be sure we do it right, let's double check the numbers as we go down. Down 1.
Down 2.
And down 3, which brings us to level 15. Do your stuff, Didge.
Miss
I
Laura,
can't
can you hear me?
believe it.
Yes.
We're wrong again.
Okay, finally.
Maybe
I just
the
noticed my
up's
headphones weren't
locator
plugged in
is
correctly. That's why my
Aw.
mic was not working. I was
Oh.
like speaking and yelling.
Just push it.
Down 11.
Just put it like very
I didn't push
nicely.
it in fully because I'm using my wire because my headphones, my Bluetooth headphones is charging. I didn't
Alright.
charge them.
Thanks for
Buzzing's
letting
a
me know.
leader out of
Let's watch
control.
this negative
What
thing.
else is new?
Needs your help. Hurry!
Now what do we do? There's no way we can keep track of these movements.
Hold on. Maybe there's a
Hi, Miss
shortcut.
Friedman.
Something we can do
Oh,
so
hi,
we
Miss
don't
Friedman.
have to go
Hi.
up and down so much.
Is
Now,
everybody else
do you
with Miss
have
Gongora,
anything
Miss
to write
Murray?
on?
Miss Murray is on the other side.
Oh, how do I get to her?
I give you the link.
We've been going up and
Yeah.
down floors on our giant ruler, right? Let's make things simpler.
You sent it to me via email?
That
I
looks like
just
a
right
number
here. You can
line.
click it right here. Hold on.
Exactly. We can use this to count
Copy
out the moves that Motherboard says
and
Buzz and
paste.
Delete have made, and then
It's
go
in the chat.
directly there.
Okay,
Let's
thank
try
you.
it.
Welcome.
Okay, right now we're on level 15, as Motherboard said. We need to go down 11.
We started at level
Then
15 and
That
went
puts
down
us at
11
level 8.
before.
Now down 6
4
to
to
level
level
2.
8.
Now up 1, 2, 3.
Then down 6
That
to
puts us
level
at level 5.
Great.
Up
And our
3
last
to
move
level
is down
5.
8 levels to
And
exactly where the
Motherboard's last
castle is.
direction was to
1,
go down
2,
8 levels.
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5,
But
half,
that's impossible. That puts us at 0. We can't go down any further, and we still have to go down 3
So
more
Motherboard's
levels.
directions were
I
right.
can't take
Level
it out.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what did we think?
Hi, Miss Murray. I just wanted to say hi before we go on.
Right.
What's that?
Miss Angora,
Ah,
Miss Friedman is in the other room. I can hear her.
I don't.
Okay, so who am I talking to now?
You're in the same group, Miss Friedman.
What happened? I'm speaking to both of you?
Yes.
Yeah, you're in both.
Why?
What happened?
Okay, let me see if I can get out.
All right, she's gone. All right, then we'll start. So we'll start back, okay?
Hang on, Dick. We're coming. Whoa! Gotcha. Do you see what I see? What? That! Whoa!
Look at
I
that.
can't believe it.
It looks exactly the same as the purple part of the building up here.
Only it keeps going down with floors below the ground level.
I've got an idea. Let's see what happens if we extend our number line down and add more floors below 0, like so.
1 below 0, 2 below 0, 3 below 0.
Don't you call numbers below 0 negative numbers? Why don't we label them so we can tell which is which?
Good idea. I'll use the negative sign. -1, -2.
Whoa, slow down a second. Negative numbers?
You know, like when the temperature is 10 below 0, or a parking lot is 1 below ground level.
Oh, I get it. Negative numbers are less than 0.
Let's locate the council. We started at level 15 and went down 11 to 4. Then up 4 to level 8, right?
Then down 6 to level 2.
Then up 3 to level 5.
And Motherboard's last direction was to go down 8 levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, past 0, 6, 7, 8, which brings us 3 floors below the plaza.
So Motherboard's directions were right.
Level -3. That's gotta be where the council is. Let's go!
Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice of video?
That gives me so many flashbacks.
I know. Like
Oh,
I've
I love
been
watching the show.
watching the show.
I know, like I love their equations. Like they're
I
so
know
fun.
they have a very good math lesson. Miss Mura reminded me of this. She said, "Remember, Miss Mura, we've been using this video to like have fun, at least a little bit of like." I said,
I
"Yes."
noticed it was
Oh my
PBS. I
God.
used to love watching PBS. Like every show on
Correct.
PBS, I loved.
Very good. So at least we have a little bit of break from that. So let's go continue with this one. There are 3 students in the pure deck right now. So I'll wait for you guys to join. There should be 9. How many are we? 11. There should be 9 of you. So go join the pure deck. I'm just gonna get the link again, and I'm gonna give it to you right here. Ooh, it's a little bit freezing in the room. Let me get. All right. While you guys are joining the pure deck, I'll check the attendance. This is where we end last time, right? So I'll give you. I don't know if
I
your
know. Actually,
work.
I think we did this discussion already.
Oh, we already did this question. So just
Yeah, I'm
remind
pretty sure
me.
because I already have my answer in.
Just remind me. What's the answer for this one then?
2.25.
2.25. Did you get that correct in the pure deck? I mean, in the quiz?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did.
Okay.
I don't remember though.
Who
I think I did.
answered? Who gave an answer at SAVVAS at -2 1/4? If you remember yourself doing that. Leanna. Leanna, why do you think SAVVAS got your answer incorrect? Even though we know that 2 1/4 and 2.25 is exactly the same. Sean, why did Leanna get that
They're
wrong?
asking for a decimal, not a fraction.
Correct. So now we realize that, right? So if later on, Leanna said, oh, yes, later on when they give you a fraction problem, you give them a fraction answer. It's not you, Leanna. It's just like Leanna said, my bad, but it's not that you got it wrong. It's just like the question was asked to show what do you call this? To show your answer in decimal. The problem was in decimal, so you gave them back as a decimal. But it doesn't mean you're right. You're incorrect. All right, you're still right. So I'm gonna go back to that quiz and give you credit for that. But for the next time around, when they give us questions like that, we give them exactly the same kind of number. Okay, let's move ahead then. So here we go. Plot the rational numbers in the plot the rational numbers of -12/5 and -2.8 on the number line. And then there's a bubble Q here. What is -12/5 as a mixed number? I'll give you a minute to write your work. All right, we want to start back. There are only 5 students answer them though. All right, before I ask for the answer, what is the mixed number equivalent of 12 over 5. What is negative 12 over 5 as mixed number? Daniel? Abby and Liana put their answers already in the chat. But if you guys have seen Liana say oops, Liana don't change it. Why did Liana say oops? What happened?
Because it's a negative.
But Liana so quickly saw the error that she did. This is so cool. I like that. So once you like see your answers right away and you're able to spot your incorrect answer, I like that. So
my answer is for 12 and a half. 12 fifths is 2. Like, yeah, that's mine.
Oh,
that's mine.
So your answer
because
is
I knew because from 0 to 1 there's 5. So then I just added 5 plus 5 and then plus 2 and then I got to that much.
Oh, that's a nice strategy, but you forgot something on your final answer. What is it? Exactly the same as what Liana said. Your graph is correct, but your number.
It's really hard to see, but I added the negative.
Yeah, I just saw that. You put that one little thing there. All right. So you need to change it first to a mixed number. So that's negative 2 and 2/5. How do you know that it goes to the like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Which bar it goes? That it's not here, it's not on the second one. If I go back here, how will you know which of these bars that negative 12 over 5 or what you said to negative 2 and 2/5 goes? Will it be on the last closer to 3 or closer to negative 2? Closer to negative 3, I mean, or closer to negative 2? Let's say, Michael?
What?
How will you know that it's closer to the negative 2 than to negative 3? The negative 12 over 5.
Which one?
The negative 12 over 5 or negative 2 and 2/5.
I knew it was closer to negative 2 because for opposites, the greater value has the greater number has a lesser value, so it will go more backwards if it's higher. So I went back. I went to the front where the 0 is closer, or the negative 2.
All right. Thank you for the share, Mike.
Miss Gongora,
Yeah.
do you have the other meet link? I kind of lost it.
In the chat. Could you still see the chat?
No, I don't see it. It's blank.
All right, hold on. What happened? You get out of the room and then you forgot?
No, because I lost my network connection.
Oh boy. Here. I don't know how far they are, but if they already far, just come back here. We're the same slides. All right, guys. So good for that one. Let's go to the next one. So Tony states that 7/10 and 0.7 are equal because 7 over 10 as a decimal is 0.07. Do you agree or disagree with Tony? Explain your reasoning. I'll give you a minute. All right, 20 seconds, guys. All right, Sean, would you like to share first?
Yeah. I do not agree with Tony because 0.07 is equal to. Oh, I put an extra 0 by mistake.
It's okay. Just explain it.
I chose no because 0.07 is equal to 7/100, not 7/10, and 7/10 is not equal to 7/100.
Perfect. Anybody else would like to share and add on to what Sean said? Abby would like to add on what Sean has explained to us? Go ahead.
0.07 has 2 zeros on front, meaning it's 7 hundredths.
Yes. Anyone else would like to add? Michael? Someone raise hand? Or put in a chat. Yes, Lena, go ahead. So anybody else would like to share? So do you agree with what Sean said? It's just because this is not, that's why I read it to you as 0.07, because 0.7 decimal of 710 is 0.7. We read this as 0, or we read this as 0.07 or 700ths, not 7/10. Okay, so she's one place value off. Go to the next question, guys. So which group of numbers is ordered correctly from least to the greatest? Select all that apply. This is a cue for us, or a clue for all of us, that says all you have to do, guys, is just check. You don't have to rewrite them. Okay, this is the all means there is the possible answer is more than one. It could be 2, 3, and 4, but not just one. Okay, and we already answered this in SAVVAS. Why do you think SAVVAS did not give you full credit for this? Some of you. It's because you'd only pick one answer. Then there should be two. All right? Go ahead. Find those two ordered correctly from least to the greatest. Give you a minute. All right, let's see what you guys got. So let me ask somebody who were not able to answer me before. How about Matthew? What did you pick? First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Which one did you pick? Matthew? Nina?
Has to type it in the chat.
Oh. All right, so exactly. Okay, you could type it in the chat if your microphone is not working or something is going on there that you cannot talk. Nina, how about you? Which one did you pick? The first, second, third, and fourth. But you guys have not answered in the peer deck either, so let's see, what do you have? Sean again. Come on.
I chose the second and fourth.
The second and fourth. Anybody else?
And I also got it correct on the quiz.
All right, perfect.
So I remember.
Good. Good that you remember. Nina? All right, let me just sneak peek in the chat, because I mean in the answer. So second and third. If you look at this, 0.2, and then this is 0.25 and this is 0.33. So the 3/10, what is 3/10 in decimal? If
30.
You want. So that's
0.3.
0.
And 1/4 is
0.25. So they switched their position. So that could not be correct. That's why SAVVAS will not give you credit for that one. So second and fourth. If you look at this one, oh, that's the one we said that the position is not right for 3/10 and 1/4. It looks like 3/10 is smaller, but it's bigger than 1/4. All right, so you need to pick all. When it says all, it has to be more than 2. Okay. All right, so that next time we will not make that mistake. I think we're in the last slide. So Miss Sampson recorded the percentage change in her students' quarter grades after entering the scores of the students' topic test. Which student change would be represented by the point farthest from 0 on the number line? The students are Andre, Brenna, Christopher, and Delphina. So Andre got 3.76 quarter change. Brenna got 5.48. Christopher has negative 6.15. And Delphina has negative 3.33. The question was, which student's change would be represented by the point farthest from 0? Be ready to explain. I'll give you another minute. All right, I'm only seeing 4 students working on it. How come others are not? Last 30 seconds, please. So you're only figuring out why is this question hard that you guys will not figure out who among these four students are far away from zero? This already sound like introduction to our topic. Next one. All right, who's brave enough other than Sean to tell me what's the answer? Daniel, what's your answer for this one? Who among them are far from zero? Farther. Who is it? Christopher, why did you say so?
Because it's farthest from zero, and if you put it in a negative number or a positive, it is 6.15 away, and the others are not as far away from.
How far is Christopher from zero?
6.15.
6 points, or at least 6 points away from zero, right?
Can I add on to Daniel?
Go ahead, Sean.
Since if you put the opposite of 16.15 and 3.33, you would see which one is the greatest, and then you would just know. So it's basically the negative sign symbol is not there if you wanna do it.
You're very, very correct for that, because it's just asking you how far is it from zero. It's asking you for the distance away from zero. And you know that what you're talking about right now is our next topic that we're going to be discussing tomorrow. It's the absolute value. It's a distance from zero, which you guys are really good so far right now, right? Thank you for that. So did everybody get that? So even though it's negative 6.15 and we tell them that it's a lower value because it's away from zero, but that is the farthest from zero, which is 6 steps from zero. But the 5.48, even though it has a greater value, it's only 5 steps from zero.
Miss Gongora, I might leave the meet by mistake because I have to reset my iPad.
No problem. So just rejoin if
I
you
might
can.
reset it right now because my iPad my peer deck canceled out because nothing was loading.
Oh, no problem. So you know what?
It's
wait,
your
don't go.
iPad was not connected.
Oh, don't go.
Even though my Wi-Fi is connected.
It's okay. Don't go, because this is the last slides in the peer deck. You guys are gonna go to your Google Classroom. You guys are going to your Google Classroom. All right. So there is the more practice here to be graded this classwork. So you go Math XL for schools. If you could go to SAVVAS, Sean, instead of going out to peer deck, you just get out of peer deck totally, and you could go to SAVVAS, and then at SAVVAS you work on that XL questions. All right, guys, got question? You guys got question for me? So you're going to go to SAVVAS for the lesson 2.2 extra work. So if you're gonna hear February 8 XL schools, if you could click there, I hope I could go right away. Of course, you have to let me in, and it didn't let me in, but I could go through here. You're gonna go to XL. It's right here. Hey, Leanna, that's a quiz. Who already did that? Here, Math XL. For you guys, it was already there. So if I gonna go to your class, oh come on, SAVVAS. All right, so I have to X out. All right, you guys go to SAVVAS because the SAVVAS didn't let me in. So I'm gonna go here. All right, anyways,